Retirement, assisted living, and memory care can be expensive. These are also living options that you don't want to compromise on for you or your loved one. At our Quail Crest Senior Living Retirement Communities, you can have affordable quality with magnificent accommodations in some of the most spectacular nearby locations. Our best value guarantee extends to our Northern California and Southern Oregon locations of beautiful Clear Lake, California, just 90 minutes from Sacramento, the gorgeous coast of Fortuna, only 30 minutes from Eureka, the fishable streams and lakes of Shasta County, the mountain views and central location of Eureka, and the temperature, climate, culture, and energy of the college town of Eugene, Oregon. Besides our magnificent accommodations and locations, our retirement, assisted living, and memory care communities offer gourmet meals, fun social activities, fitness programs, local transportation services, medication management if needed, beauty and barber shop, 24-hour personalized care. Our all-inclusive prices start around $2,000 per month for the peace of mind to know that you or your loved one will have the very best care and support possible at the most affordable rates without compromising quality. For more details, call us now at 541-414-6010 or visit our website at www.agingways.com.